Let's get you the latest updates coming in on the Nagpur riots. Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has confirmed that it was rumour mongering that led to this attack, that led to the violence. Chief Minister Fadnavis has said that it was a rumour on, in fact, the tomb chadar that sparked riots. And he's also detailed exactly what happened. Speaking in the Maharashtra Assembly, Fadnavis says that this was a mob consisting of 80 to 100 people who went on a rampage. They were armed, and therefore confirming that this mob was in fact carrying swords, carrying sticks, and went on this vandalizing spree. Now let's get you exactly what Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has said, when he's also confirmed that cops were attacked. One cop was even attacked with an axe by this mob.
एक अफवा अशी पसरवली गेली की सकाळच्या आंदोलनात जी प्रतिकात्मक कबर झाली त्याच्या कापडावर धार्मिक मजकूर होता. अत्तरोळ मधील नमाज आटोपून 200 ते 250 चा जमाव हा त्या ठिकाणी तयार झाला आणि नारे देऊ लागला. याच लोकांनी आग लावून टाकू असे हिंसक बोलणे प्रारंभ केल्याने पोलिसांनी त्या ठिकाणी बळाचा वापर केला. यापूर्वी बजरंग दलाच्या कार्यकर्त्यांविरुद्ध तक्रार द्यायची आहे अशी मागणी करण्यात आल्याने त्यांना गणेशपेठ पोलीस ठाण्यामध्ये आमंत्रित करण्यात आलं. त्यांची तक्रार ऐकून घेण्यात आली. हिंदू परिषद व बजरंग दलाच्या कार्यकर्त्यांनी औरंगजेबाची कबर हटाव असे नारे देत आंदोलन केले. हे आंदोलन करताना त्यांनी गवताच्या पेंड्या असलेली प्रतिकात्मक कबर त्या ठिकाणी जाळली. एका डीसीपीवर तर थेट कुऱ्हाडी वार हा त्या ठिकाणी करण्यात आलेला आहे. त्यामुळे निश्चितपणे याच्यामध्ये काही ना काही एक प्रकारे काही लोकांचा सुनियोजित पॅटर्न हा देखील त्या ठिकाणी दिसतो आहे. अशा लोकांना त्या ठिकाणी त्यांच्यावर कारवाई ही केलीच जाईल. कुठल्याही परिस्थितीमध्ये कायदा आणि सुव्यवस्था हाती घेण्याची कोणालाही परवानगी या ठिकाणी देण्यात येणार नाही. आणि मी एक गोष्ट स्पष्टपणे सांगतो, पोलिसांवर ज्यांनी हल्ला केला असेल त्यांना काय झालं तरी सोडलं जाणार नाही.
Let's cut across live now to AIMIM Chief Asaduddin Owaisi speaking on these riots.
के लिहाज से अपनी हुकूमत चलाना है. Thank you.
Apologies. We'll get you that reaction once again as to what Owaisi has to say about what's happened in Nagpur and the allegation from the government that this was actually a pre-planned conspiracy. Let me bring in Mustafa Sheikh, who's joining us live from Nagpur with the latest updates. Mustafa, shocking details really that the Chief Minister has given out about how really these riots broke out, that the mob was armed, they had swords, they had sticks, and one cop, a senior cop, was even targeted with an axe by this mob.
Well, yes, the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Devendra Fadnavis, has made a speech on the house floor of the house very responsibly. He has actually narrated and simplified the entire incident which has taken place, which goes on to say that it was about Aurangzeb's tomb, the protest by Bajrang Dal. Then a rumor starting saying that they tried to burn a certain thing on which something was written on Arabic, and it was considered to be a religious text, due to which people had taken offense. They had met Nagpur Commissioner. FIR had also been registered. Now, this was in the afternoon yesterday. But after the evening, late evening, violent protests started. People started gathering. They had covered their faces partially. They were having weapons, and they went on to destroy, went on a rampage. Even more so that they didn't even stop at senior police officers intervening. There are two DCPs of Nagpur city which are hospitalized at this point, and one of them has a deep cut on his hand which he suffered with an axe. So clearly, whether these were protesters, but they more acted like rioters and more so like hardened criminals. Devendra Fadnavis went on to say that there are 10 police stations in which there is a situation of curfew-like situation in Nagpur at this point, where the shops and other things have been closed. He also went on to say that there has been a recent release of a movie based on the sacrifice given by Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj, due to which the sentiments of these citizens of Maharashtra is running high. But because there are ongoing festivals of different communities, people
Of
will
course.
have to be patient, understand each other's sentiments, and behave accordingly. So that's
No, but the
what
onus
Devendra
is also
Fadnavis
going
has
to be on the
clearly said.
administration to ensure that even if, you've got people's sentiments running high, they need to kind of keep the situation under control. And Chief Minister Fadnavis therefore is suggesting that all of this was pre-planned.